Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to save Streamlabs recordings. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Saving your recordings in Streamlabs OBS is straightforward, and you can set up to automatically save all your recordings to a specific folder on your PC. Here's how to do it. Firstly, launch the Streamlabs OBS application on your PC. Click on the settings gear icon, usually found in the lower left corner of the Streamlabs OBS interface. In the settings menu, choose the click output tab. Make sure you are on the recording tab within the output settings. Look for the recording path or file path field. This is where your recordings will be saved. Click on the browse button to choose a folder where you want your recordings to be automatically saved. Choose a location on your PC that has enough storage space for video files, which can be quite large. Under the same recording tab, you can set the quality of your recordings by choosing the recording quality. You can select from options like same as stream, high quality, medium size, or customize the settings as per your needs. You can also choose the recording format, with common options being MP4, FLV, MKV, and MOV. MP4 is generally recommended for its balance of quality and compatibility. Now, configure other settings like audio track encoder and recording resolution if needed. These settings depend on your specific requirements and the capabilities of your PC. After setting up your preferences, click Done or Apply to save your settings. To start recording, simply click the Start Recording button on the main Streamlabs OBS interface when you are ready to record your screen or gameplay. After you finish recording and hit Stop Recording, your video file will be saved to the location you specified. You can't go to this folder to view, edit, or share your recording. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.